numerous rocks hit the windshield. And just like I said about all my customers that I want them to preserve the original glass, I want it done to my car too. I had it, and I am super excited that I can use the product that I sell to customers and see it work firsthand. Hey, I'm Mark. I'm the owner of Pure Auto. We're at the Mississauga location here, and we've been partners with ExoShield since 2014. So yeah, Pure Auto was started in 2008. Our main focus was tint and PPF at that time. As we moved into the protection, full protection for cars, we added windshield protection, which was ExoShield in 2014. We've had great success till now. We opened up another location in North Vancouver, so now we have two to serve our customers, one in Mississauga and one in North Vancouver. One of the most important parts about choosing a product for me is the relationship that I have between the supplier. So the person that's coming in and explaining to me about the product that I need to use, that's very important. The quality of the product, I would like to use quality products. But along with that, if the person can be helpful to helping me establish that relationship with my customers through that product that I'm using, that is a very important part to me. Having that relationship to back up the product if it fails or if there's any problems with it, or just knowing that somebody is there to help out my customers so they don't feel like they're just getting a product and goodbye. I think that's one of the biggest things in choosing supplies or products for Pure Auto. Yeah, so I think the biggest breakthrough came when I met Kyle in person. We used ExoShield for a number of years before, or we were exposed to the product before. I think the biggest plus was Kyle becoming a friend of the business and coming by and explaining a lot of questions and supporting my clients, which is, again, I emphasize that that's one of the most important things, because when we have our clients back, I think it's very easy on the customer. When choosing protection film for windshields, I think the only place to go to is ExoShield. It's not a new product that's on the market that's just being thrown at people. I think that the technology behind it should be very good by now, and I believe that I would fully support suggesting to other customers. In all honesty, I guess you need windshield protection to call yourself a full protection shop. It's the last piece that's not getting protected with PPF. I mean, all the other panels are protected, so glass is the last step.